Hello, everybody. Andrew Blake from the digitalaudiomanual.com. Today, let's have a listen to some of the sounds from the all-new Absolute 7 collection. Typically, I don't do any kind of product review, but I did recently pick up this new release of Absolute 7, mostly because I had a student get me looking at it in the first place. Shout out to Joe if you're out there listening. After downloading it and starting to play with some of the sounds, I have to admit, they really did sound pretty good. Good enough to the point where I figured a few of you might want to hear and get a chance to preview these if you haven't had a chance to yet already. Before we go through a few of these, let me show you when you download this, looking at the Steinberg Download Manager, and I have the option for Absolute 7 selected here. Initially, when you look at this, it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot here. You have these main categories for Backbone, Halion, Groove Agent, Pad Shop, Retrolog, and the Grand. My first thought was that it doesn't have as many sounds as the Absolute 6 collection does. Well, that was completely wrong. It's all in here. Of course, if you open up any one of these categories, then you begin to see everything that's hidden back here. And especially when you look at Halion, Halion is just packed now with all kinds of little sound libraries. It now has the new Groove Agent, which I know a lot of people are excited about. A few new kits in here. I think Pad Shop has a new entry in here as well. Retrolog definitely has something new in here. And the Grand pretty much is the same, but that always sounds good anyway. So make sure if you get this, that you hit the Install All option, or make sure that the packs that you don't have are selected. You don't want to miss out on anything that you've actually gotten in this new collection. But let me show you first thing that I hit on and made me want to do this video for you in the first place. We're going to start off looking at what got put into Halion. I'm going to add an instrument track and choose Halion 7 here. If you open up the Halion interface, and you can see all these different sound packs in here. The first one I experimented with, there's one in here called the Orchestra Colors. Let me show you some of the sounds of this. There's a few ways you can approach browsing your sounds in general. Let's do this one first. Up on the Media tab, over in the right zone, we can actually choose this option that says VST Instruments. Then I can look for Halion in here and just open it up. Find that same pack I was just looking at, the Orchestra Colors. This is a great option. It allows you to quickly load sounds up. All I have to do is click on them. The ones I want to look at first, ones that struck me, looking at strings, they have a collection here that says Strings Marcato. There's about 4 or 5 of these. They have a nice punch to them, which I find kind of rare in string libraries in general. Most of the time, any strings I get, I have to work pretty hard just to get them to have the impact that I'm trying to achieve. And that's why these kind of caught my attention. If I play some of these, they have basically like a whole section in one note. We moved on to a different one here. Very orchestral in their sound. Each one seems to layer up another string sound. And what's nice about browsing them over in this media view like this, I can hold Shift and select a number of them at the same time. So I can select all of these that say Marcato and then click them and drag them into the project. In this case, I get all 5 of those strings together. Now here's the thing that gives them a lot more impact. These string sounds all fit together very well, and if I do a shift and hold down here, now I can play all of these strings at the same time. And they have some punch. Really a full and nice orchestral type of sound. Not always easy to achieve, and this Absolute 7 is a nice collection that way. Another group in here, they have these strings that say sustain. Again, that's typically something you'll get with string collections, but these are pretty expressive. Again, I can browse them right here in the media browser. I'm going to take all 5 of these, hold Shift, and I'm going to bring these out into the project. Hold Shift and select them all. Then I can control all of these tracks and all of these sounds with my modulation wheel. That's a pretty good sound for any string library. The other thing that I thought was kind of impressive, if we look at some of the brass section type of sounds, just like the strings, you have them kind of categorized in sustain or these various marcatos. Let me click on some of these brass sustain sounds. And again, I'll select all of these, take them into the project, hold Shift and select them all. Pretty powerful sounding. Another option for layering these up, because the way Halion is, say I take just one of these sounds, bring it into the project, and open Halion up. You can use Halion's browser, click on one of these other string sounds, drag it over to the left, and this allows me to easily start stacking these sounds in the same instance of Halion. I can put all 5 of these right here. Now, initially when you play them, you can't hear them all. You have to go to MIDI, make sure every one of these MIDI ports is on the same thing, in this case A1. But this is some of the fun things you can do with Halion in general. And now you can play Halion as this multi-timbral instrument. A very big sound. And a nice option with that is now you can control all of those strings with just this one track, and you can use things like the new pattern editor, create some patterns on that one track, and I combine them with some sustained strings. It's something like this. So all in all, I'd have to say it's a pretty positive collection of sounds. Of course, there's all kinds of people right now giving you other sound examples to check out and hear what else is available here. Before we wrap it up, I just put a simple sound example here of some of the strings and the brass together, just to give you a feel for the basic sound of it all. Sit back, have a listen, and enjoy it. As always, great to have you here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.